Hey everybody, welcome back, or welcome to week 26 of Guess That Object. Anyway, this is where I'm stopping. Okay, hint for... Wait, no, so... 2 weeks ago, 24 was the solo cup. Get Chewbacca? Anyway. It's been about a year. Han Solo dies. Anyway. If you haven't watched it in like a year, yeah, too late. I mean, heck, if you haven't watched it since the sequel came out, that's where I draw the line. You know? Or not the sequel, the next in the series. Anyway. This is not dirt. And yeah, the hint for 25, I guess it was. That one toy line that Logan's obsessed with is on the Wii. You won't know this doesn't help you. That's for my reminder. But yeah, toy line Wii. That's your hint. Or toy line, game line, Wii. That's basically that's what you're getting. Come on. Anyway, so this is not dirt. And hint to myself, it's in the pantry and you put it in the liquid. You put it in hot water. That's my hint, because it's not just it's in the pantry in general, it goes in pantries. It is in the room next to your room pantry. Like, I'm reminding myself, because I might not record more of these for like a couple months. Not really a couple months, couple weeks, but you know what I mean. I might not remember it, because I had to schedule these ahead of time, so it's like right now I've uploaded most of the ones up to this, but only 3 have gone up because it's only been 3 weeks since I started this. But yeah, it's been week 26. Was it 26? Yeah. Anyway, of Guess That Object.